I was thinking about a thing from few days, like what happened when you gave an AI full permission to hack your computer. I wanted to find out. We are living in a world where AI writes our code, and what can it break it? Today, I'm using Shannon, an autonomous AI pen tester, and I didn't give it any hints. I just gave it a target, a vulnerable FastAPI app that I'm running on my machine, and just said go. What I found out that in 90 minutes, it didn't just secure me, it dismantled the application. Let me show you how exactly this works. First of all, this is my battlefield, like the simple setup. This is the Shannon agent. This is the vulnerable fast API app, and these are the scripts. And this is the reports that it generated after 90 minutes, something like 90 minutes of attacking the vulnerable fast API. And we used the Cloud Anthropic API in this. Um Let me tell you something that yeah, what I did was that I just sat back and watched the logs, and Shannon mapped the entire application, analyzed the source code, and started launching attacks. And we used Docker in this, and just few commands, and it just started attacking the vulnerable fast API. And here's the report that it generated. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the report that it generated, and it find so many important things with proof of concept, because most of the autonomous pen testers, what they did is just they give you false positives, and but the Shannon gave you the proof of concept, and this is why I like it very much. Like, it gave you the proof of concepts and why this is the vulnerability and why this is not. And I really like this. Like, the first is the total auth bypass. Shannon realized API had zero security, and it autonomously created its own user account. uh, it just walk right in the front door and access the admin data without a token. This is the first vulnerability that I find out. The second is that the crazy part is the SQL injection. Like, you can see here, uh, look at this payload. The Shannon found an injection point at select, uh, and it didn't just flag it. It wrote a custom script to dump the entire database. It pulled the usernames, emails, and even cracked MD5 passwords hashes. The third vulnerability is, I found out that it the logic flaw, where if you inject code in the address field, you can mass delete the entire database of every single user in the system, and basically a self dissections you can cause. And the point is why Shannon is that's so good. I like it so much because I already told you that it gives you a proof of concept. Like, see this curl command. I can copy paste it into my terminal right now, and it will hack the site. I can really check if this vulnerability is actually right or not. And it's like having a senior red teamer sitting in your terminal, working 24/7 and costing fraction of the price. Yeah, Shannon is very very cheap. I found it really really uh cheap, and it really works. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, it worked smoothly. If you're building, the final point is, if you're building an API or any kind of uh, app in 2026 and you are now testing them with AI agents, you're falling behind. The bad guys are going to use these tools, and so you should too. And I have linked the Shannon repo, my full blog post and breakdown in the descriptions, and you can see it. Go check it out, run it on your environment, and let me know. what it finds out. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you.